Thank you for your purchase on Evok 3-in-1. This rider comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, storage space under the seat. This product is easy to assemble by using these simple parts. Step 1. Take the main body. Then, open the battery cap and insert the batteries. Now, close the battery cap with help of screw. Step 4. Place the handrest holder to main body. In the next step, fix steering to steering rod with help of nut and bolt. Then, attach the backrest to main body BU band pressing. Step 7. Fit the handrest with the backrest at 180 degree both side. Now, lock the handrest in the steering side with help of lock provided in the handrest. In last step, fit the parental to the backrest by the lock button on the parental handle. Your beautiful Evok 3-in-1 ready to ride.